Good morning, fourth grade. Welcome to Problem of the Day. I like this one. Trina needed 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla to make one milkshake. If Trina wants to make 6 milkshakes, how many teaspoons of vanilla will she need? I think this is great for right now because I think some of us might be doing lots of baking. So what I need to identify here is that I have 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla for one milkshake. And I want 6. So I could add up 1/3. That's 2. That's 3. This is 4. That's going to take forever to repeatedly add that many times. But I would know that my common denominator of 3 would just stick to the same with the answer. And then I would just add up all the numerators. But that's kind of tricky just because it's going to take really long and 6 times. I don't really want to do that. That's a lot of work. So I'm going to do 1/3 and I want to multiply that by 6. Now there's 2 ways I can do this and I'm going to do both. I can leave 6 as a whole number like I did in this first one, or I'm going to rewrite it here with 6 as the numerator and 1 as the denominator. And these two equations are the same thing. Now I'm going to switch colors for my answer. So here, I'm going to multiply the whole number by the numerator, which 6 times 1 is 6. And I'm going to leave the denominator the same, which is 3. On this other one, I just multiply straight across. So my numerator, I have 1 times 6 straight across the top, which is 6. And on the bottom, 3 times 1 is 3. So same answer. The reason that works is because on this one, what you're really doing by leaving the denominator the same is you're multiplying it by 1, but you don't see that step. Over here, you do. So either way, I've landed with 6/3, which I could leave it like that, but this is an improper fraction, meaning the numerator 6 is larger than the denominator 3. 6/3 is technically fine, but we can do better than that. We can change it back into a mixed number. In order to do that, I'm going to take my denominator and I'm going to skip count as many times as I can to get to the numerator. This arrow is pointing to the numerator, which is 6. So if I skip count by 3s, it would be 3, 6, and I'm going to stop there because 6 is my numerator, and that I skip counted 2 times. And I got exactly to 6 with no remainders. So really, the more correct answer here is that Trina would need 2 teaspoons of vanilla to make those 6 milkshakes. You have some different numbers. You have 9 milkshakes